we're building a wrestling ring.
We are building this right here. If y'all can see it, I don't know. I know it's kind of hard to see. We're kind of in a dark here. But we are building that, which is a wrestling ring.
We gotta do this real fast.
Kind of hard to see right now.
Kinda
Is
hard.
that better?
Yeah. So these are the hookers.
These go on the ring.
Yep, they go on the ring. I think people are watching.
I don't know. No, it's recording. So this one goes on here.
It's fast forwarding.
Very hard to get these in without trying to break it. There we go. Next one. Second one we're putting on. Which there is, if anybody tries to put it together, there's 4 holes in each one up here in the corner. So our second one. And third one.
I think will Nana see this? I know.
So we're going to do the last one.
People are on YouTube already.
So that's what it looks like so far, guys. No rope on it yet. Okay. Now,
show them the rope.
This is the long, long rope that goes with it. So, we'll use my sun kind of for, so you guys can see. Sorry. The recording is going to really, really stink.
Guys.
Oops, sorry, guys.
Guys can see it?
Yep. So, now we're going to do the rope. You always want to start on the very bottom one. Which it loops on the top. And it's very, very hard to get through. But you loop them on the top.
People have these rings. They don't know how
And
to
then, when you loop them on the bottom, make sure you're very, very careful. And I believe you have to tie it. Let's double check on the back.
Hey, get off my recording. Mom, she's on the recording.
It's okay. You don't have to tie it. At the very ends, it'll look like you have to tie them, but you don't. You actually take this one, and you have to just loop it on the bottom here, like you put the other rope in, like you oh, maybe not. We're kind of stuck here, in the same sense here. So we're just gonna leave it like that for a minute. Okay.
Now the next.
Now, the second rope. And as you can see, Junior, you gotta hold that for me. They're
so hard, people.
If you want to use the end part, use the end part. Sometimes it's easier. I just did it the very difficult way.
It looks like we have to slide it in, it says.
Yeah.
To slide in.
I know. Hey. Okay.
This might be different.
And this is the last one. And then I believe you do have to tie them.
Well, can I still be on live when I'm playing with it?
Oh, you're not going to have much time. And you just put them through. Make it easier. I kind of did it the stubborn way. use the end pieces to get it in there. And then I think you just tie them.
Yeah.
At the end. Just like that. So it's a ring. Work with the second one. As you can see, take the second one, the two ends, and just tie them like you would be tying a knot. Okay. Then the very, very last one, the two ends.
We're gonna tie them.
And you tie them. I mean, you could tie them any other way, but this would probably be the easiest way because, you know, you have a little boy that this one might have to be a little tighter. So you can always untie it if it is not tight enough. My son can show you what comes with it. Show them what comes with it. Show them the two wrestlers.
These are the two ones. And then I will show you the table and the chair. This is a white. And this is a table. Look, watch. That's how you do the table. Then when you don't want to play with it, you just fold them.
Okay, now
Guys, I'm going to show you.
it is all done all the way around.
Oh, how are we going to put this set up?
So, guys, if you'd like to follow us, feel free. Y'all have a good day. Bye.
Bye.